Hi everyone. We always say, don't use your phone at the table. But this time, there is a good reason. No matter how separated we are, sitting down to a meal is a moment to be together. That's why I want to give you a simple recipe to make so you can share it with friends, family, and loved ones. Get some breadcrumbs, mix with eggs and parmesan. Put in a potato raiser. Squeeze it into a chicken broth and you have the most amazing breadcrumbs noodle in the world. Guys, follow the link below. We might be separated, but we are all in this together. Let's stay at home.